Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to type bold text on Facebook app. Want to type bold text on Facebook app? You can easily do it. Just follow these steps and you will learn how to do it. Open up Facebook app on your phone and log into your account. Click on what's on your mind and type in any text. Click and hold on your text and tap on copy. Now open up any browser and proceed to yaytext.com website. Paste your text in this box and scroll down to find bold text feature. Once you find it, click on copy button next to it. Now go back to Facebook and paste your text. As you can see, it is bold now. That's it for this video. I hope this guide was helpful and you are able to type bold text on Facebook app. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.